Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to reset a Garmin StreetPilot C580, which is the same for 550, 540, 530, 510 and 520. All of them go through the same procedure in order to have them reset, factory reset. Now there are two different types of resetting. One is a hardware reset, one is a factory reset. Hardware reset is that you simply, if the unit freezes and you can't get any response and you wanted to reload or reboot. But the factory reset will wipe clean everything, wipe clean your addresses, your itineraries, your previous destinations, all the saved addresses, names, contact information, everything will go away. So it's good to do a factory reset if you want to sell your unit or give it to someone and you don't want your private information being there, including your home address. So this is how we do it. First I'm going to show you the factory, the hardware reset, and then the factory reset. Alright, so to do a hardware reset, you simply remove the top cover by inserting your nail underneath the Garmin logo and pulling it up. And here is your reset button. You simply press it when the unit is on. Right now if I press it, nothing happens because it's off. But when the unit is on, you simply press it, and that's a software reset. That's when the unit freezes. Okay, now let's do the hardware reset. For hardware reset, factory reset. For factory reset, you press the power on, hold your finger in the bottom right corner, keep it pressed until you get the reset screen to erase all data and everything. Watch. So I'm gonna keep my finger here, I'm not gonna let go. Okay, so the first attempt was unsuccessful. Let's do this again. Alright. I'm no longer pushing the button, I'm just keeping, there you go. So it says, do you really want to erase all user data? You simply click yes. And everything will be wiped clean, and it will basically ask you for all the questions when it asks you when you first bought it, such as your location, your language, and all that. Okay. So now it's loading the maps. This will take a while because it has the latest 2020 maps, and it will take a while. Okay, so you choose your country and choose your language and choose your time zone, and that's it. Now if you notice how the screen flickers, the screen flickers because of the shutter speed on the camera. So in order to get rid of the flickering, you just increase the brightness, and there is no more flickering. So basically, because when you reduce the brightness, it will conflict with the shutter, and that's where the flickering starts. There, the lower you go, the more flickering you get. Anyway, so that's how you do a hardware reset, factory reset, and this is how you do a hardware reset. You simply press this, and that's it. Then you turn it back on, and that's it. You did a software reset or hardware reset versus a factory reset. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.